Kubernetes is now everywhere. It's common, standard. However, perfecting its use is not easy. How can we leverage the power of the cloud to accelerate the scheduling capabilities of Kubernetes? How to reduce the complexity of Kubernetes O&M? How to improve the application security in Kubernetes? Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Cloud Forward. In this new container series, we'll bring you the latest in container development. And in today's episode, I'll start with a how. How to create the best Kubernetes platform for the cloud. Kubernetes has become a standard operating system in the cloud-native era as container technology continues to evolve and iterate. So we are all using Kubernetes. But how to build the best Kubernetes platform? You see, the problem is, even though Kubernetes is so far the best container orchestration technology, however, it is a complex technology that takes a long time learning process, and it's quite costly to manage. Now, the wise decision here would be letting a cloud services provider and its managed Kubernetes services to handle all that, which in our case, it's called Alibaba Cloud Container Service for Kubernetes, or ACK for short. Now let's get into it. The first thing we're going to talk about is large-scale high availability. ACK is one of the first container services to pass the Kubernetes conformance certification tests globally. For enterprise-level large-scale production scenarios, ACK takes one step further on reliability, security, and it provides SLA reimbursable Kubernetes clusters. Also, for the enterprise users, we introduced ACK Pro that offers even more reliability in its control plane, supporting 3AZ high availability and @TCD backups and geo-disaster recovery. ACK Pro supports automatic scaling of control panel components, such as API server with up to 10,000 nodes. It also supports Turway, a high-performance network, and uses hardware offload and eBPF technology to cut interpod latency by 30%. What's more, ACK is full-stack optimized based on bare metal architecture, heterogeneous architecture, Alibaba Cloud Linux, and other technologies. Meanwhile, ACK offers more intelligent container scheduling. Kubernetes is ACK's unified scheduling system for different task loads and elastic resources built on the Kubernetes scheduling framework. To improve application performance and overall resources utilization, Kubernetes supports mixed scheduling of different elastic resources, fine-grained scheduling of heterogeneous resources, job scheduling of batch computing, and so on. In terms of heterogeneous resource scheduling, ACK supports GPU and CPU topology-aware scheduling, GPU sharing scheduling, and ultimately improves utilization by 100%. Then in terms of fine-grained scheduling, ACK supports dynamic resource overcommitting, elastic resource limits, and intelligent resource specification recommendation, which can increase resource allocation rate also by 100%. While for job scheduling, ACK supports gang scheduling and capacity scheduling. And for elastic scheduling, ACK supports elastic priority configuration for elastic computer services and elastic container instances. Furthermore, ACK supports the managed node pool. The managed node pool is a type of node pool introduced by ACK that can automatically complete part of the node O&M operations such as CVE updates, fault repair, container optimized OS, and so on, reducing the node O&M burden. And lastly, ACK has now been upgraded to ACK Anywhere since 2021. It means that it provides multiple product forms to help you run container everywhere. ACK Anywhere supports public cloud ACK, serverless Kubernetes ASK, edge container ACK at edge, and dedicated cloud enterprise version ACK. It offers ACK Agile and the open source ACK distro, depending on user premise environment. For multi-cluster management, we have ACK One, the distributed multi-cluster cloud container platform. Now, just to give you another reason to choose Alibaba Cloud ACK, Forrester, a leading consulting agency, placed Alibaba Cloud in the leaders quadrant for global public cloud container platform in the first quarter of 2022. And as I quote, Alibaba Cloud has strong capabilities in service mesh support, container and VM runtime support, container image support, security features and policies, hybrid cloud support, cost management, edge computing support, and container storage and networking. Reference customers praised its excellent observability in logging and monitoring, efficient cluster lifecycle operations, and seamless integration with other services. So, if you are keen to know more about ACK and Alibaba's Cloud Container Services, click the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos of Cloud Forward in the future. Until next time.